Ladies and gentlemen, this is an EN SUV shoe. This model was developed as a new generation EV models, which features both a wild nature unique to SUVs and near-futuristic intelligence. Inducing the latest AI technologies, this model features a wide range of intelligent technologies which generate a sense of vitality everywhere inside the cabin. Moreover, this will be the first model to adopt the EN architecture W developed exclusively for EVs to generate a sense of unity between the driver and vehicle. This is unique to Honda and realizes a sporty and exhilarating driving experience. Honda plans to begin sales of mass production models based on this concept model before the end of 2024. Please look forward to the arrival of new generation EN series models as well.